Given the data set, find 5-number summary of the box and create a box plot. So the first thing we remind ourselves is a 5-number summary is your minimum, your lower quartile, your median, your upper quartile, and your maximum. The easiest ones to identify when your data is in order from least to greatest is your minimum and your maximum. Your minimum is 38 because that's your smallest number, and your maximum is 57 because that's your biggest number. The next one we're going to find is median. We have an even amount of numbers, so that means we should have 2 numbers in the middle. So I'm going to cross off until I make it to the middle. A little tricky when it's written like a box. You could always rewrite it so that it's right next to itself. And I find that I have 2 49s in the middle. Well, the average of 49 and 49 is 49. But remember, when you do your upper and lower quartile, now I am actually going to include one of those 49s. Because they were not in the median by themselves, they get included in the upper and lower data set. So for our lower, we're going to find the middle of our lower numbers, which we have 2 numbers. So we're going to go ahead and find the average. 40 plus 45 is going to be 95. Oh, 85, just kidding. Then we divide it by 2 because that's how many numbers there were. And that's going to give us 42.5. The next thing we're going to do is find our upper quartile the same way, but with our upper data set. We also get 2 numbers in the middle. So we go ahead and find the average, which is going to be 109. Divided by 2 is going to give us 54.5. And that's our 5-number summary. The next thing we're going to do is build our box plot. We need to start at a number, this is going to be interesting with how we have to count. So I'm going to go ahead and count by 2. And I'm going to start at 36. So 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, and 58. And that's going to cover all of the points that I need to get to. So first up is my minimum and my maximum. My minimum is 38, and my maximum is 57, so I'm going to put it right in between. Then I'm going to do my median at 49. Again, that falls in between. And lastly, my upper and lower quartile. 42.5. Well, if I go to the middle, that's 43. So 42.5 is right about here. 54.5 is going to be our upper quartile. So I go to 54. And again, in the middle would be 55. So I go ever so slightly closer. I connect my box. I make my whiskers. And there is my beautiful box plot.